Struggling to hit 4K watch hours? What if I tell you there's a way you can do it without saying a single word? We all know that it requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber to be able to join the YouTube partnership program. In this video, I will show you how silent live stream can explode your watch time. And we are going to be making use of Google app and YouTube app to achieve this. The good thing is that this works for both faceless and non-faceless channel. There is no restriction to this. The only requirement that you need is 50 subscribers and make sure that your YouTube channel is verified. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you through my screen record. So now my screen recorder is on, so I have to go to Google. When I go to Google, I will type in silent live stream. I will check for the thumbnail that I want to use. I'll check for the images. So let's use this one. I will click on this one and I will screenshot it. Hold on. I will screenshot it. I will screenshot. When I screenshot, I will resize it to no. Hold on. I will resize it to what I want and I will save it. It will go to my phone gallery. So I will go back again. Maybe I will type in something that is very catchy. I will type rose flower. Let's type rose flowers. Okay, so let's look for a rose flower that we can use for it. Rose flowers. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. I will screenshot it again and I will resize it to what I want and I will save it to my phone. So I'll go back to my YouTube app. I'm going back to my YouTube. I will click on live and I'm going to click on this pencil arrow where it's saying select audience required. I will click on this pencil arrow that you're seeing. It will take me to here. I will click on this pencil arrow again where it's going to tell me take a thumbnail, upload a thumbnail. I'm going to make use of this thumbnail. Okay, and I will save it. And I will come here where it's saying Judge Debbie is live. So I am going to remove it. Actually, this is not the where it's saying Judge Debbie is live. I am going to remove it and I will type in silent live stream. I will type in silent live stream. I will go back to where it's saying visibility is public. Go live together, add a description. I don't really need to do that, so I'll go on next. I will click on next. It's asking if it's made for kids. Of course, you know it's not made for kids, so we will type not made for kids. So I will go live. So when I go live, this is where the real work starts. If I go live here, so it's saying on go live, so I will click on this green screen. This green screen, so I'm going to use this particular flower immediately. I'm going to use it and put in here. So what you're going to do here is that you will, okay, and I will say done. Hold on, let me say done. Okay, I am done. So what you will do is that you will allow this live stream to stay for like 6 hours. You have to make sure that your phone is charging. If you don't have a long lasting battery, you have to make sure that your phone is charging. If you have a long lasting battery, you can leave it. And the next thing you're going to do is mute your mic. Did you see this mic? You're going to mute this mic. So you will go off from the live stream. This is what is going to be displaying on that silent live stream. So when your audience come, they will see that yes, you are on a silent live stream. You're not there again. It is this flower that will be showing. So you should use something that is catchy. If you stay in an environment where the outside is so catchy, there are trees, there are fine houses, I think you should make use of that. You should make use of that. You don't need to use the flower. That should be your actual background. Just mute your mic. But if at all you have, so I'm going to end this live stream now. Let me end it and continue. Let me end the live stream. So this is where, let me end the live stream. Okay. So you end the live stream. If you end it, you're going to restart it again for another 6 hours. After that, you do that again for 3 times. But make sure you're changing your thumbnails and the flower picture or whatever picture that you feel that you can use. And if you don't really need all the flower that I put, you can as well fix your camera to the place that is um beautiful, and make sure that you mute your mic. So that particular green screen that I use, YouTube made it available, and there's nothing like, okay, am I going to get a restriction? Is it going to make my channel demonetized? No. So if this method, maybe you're the type that posts once in a month, once in 2 weeks, once in a week, you can actually use this particular method to accumulate watch hour on your channel, and it's so fast. You just use it and you will see that your watch hour is accumulating and you're seeing progress in it. So after you finished doing the 3 times of silent live stream, what you will do is that you will take all those live stream and create a playlist, put them in a playlist. Ask your family members to help you to stream it. You yourself get another phone or a tablet or something. Make sure you stream them. Ask your family and friends. Tell anybody you know that loves you, that loves what you're doing. Tell them to support you and stream the particular playlist that you curated. With that, your watch hour is accumulating. So my name is Debbie. If you watch up to this extent, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Thank you.